Hello friends, I have received a few questions regarding how to create text in Circle. So today's video is going to be very quick and easy one, and we will learn how to create text that we can create in the Circle. To do that, let's choose any social media post. Uh, I have this Instagram post in front of me. I'm choosing this one. It doesn't matter whatever you are choosing because right now I am just giving you a demo of how to create text in Circle. For that I have opened this, and now I go to the text. Let's say I'm taking this heading. Now I want this text to appear in the form of circle. For this I will just click on the effect menu, which is given over here at the top. Here I will choose this curve. See, here it is because I have written a lot of text over here, that's why it is a little bit going out. What I need to do, I need to change its font size. Now what else you can do, you can change the color of the font. You can change the font style. See, and you can rotate it, you can make it more curve like this by using this. Okay, and you can make the circle outward like this. If you want to edit the text, just click over here, it appear like regular text. Here you can make any changes. See, if I want to change its direction, I can use it in this way. You can create a complete closed circle like this, and we can also change the spacing between the letters. If you want to increase the size of the font, you may use here like size of the font can be increased. See, the whole circle will be expanded. Okay, and if I change the size again, you can also stretch it to change the font size. Okay, there are so many ways to edit it. You may just stretch it to resize. So this is so much easy, and hopefully you like today's video. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment, I will definitely reply you. Keep watching my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.